After 2 years where property taxes were a major issue for many Montanans, the legislature set now to consider a number of proposals to limit their growth. And lawmakers aren't the only ones with ideas. MTN senior political reporter Jonathan Ambarian has a closer look.
Shortly after the end of the 2023 legislative session, a significant spike in assessed property values led to statewide concerns about rising property taxes. Lawmakers will now be looking at ways to tackle that issue, but every solution is likely to leave at least someone unhappy. Governor Greg Gianforte's major property tax proposal is a homestead exemption. It would raise the base residential and commercial property tax rates, but lower the rate for primary residences, long-term rentals, and small businesses. During his State of the State address Monday, Gianforte warned about potential changes to the bill that would benefit, quote, corporate interests.
If we go that route, Montanans who own and live in their home will see less relief. I believe our focus must be on Montana homeowners.
Legislative Democrats have proposed their own pair of bills. One would adjust property tax rates so they're higher on more expensive properties. The other would create a property tax credit for homeowners and renters based on their income. Democratic Representative Mark Thane of Missoula says the governor's plan didn't do enough to shift the tax burden away from residential and commercial property, called Class 4.
We have seen property tax burden in Class 4 increase from 50% of the full property tax burden to 59%. If we fail to act this session, it would be somewhere in the neighborhood of 65% by our projections, and that's just simply untenable.
But regardless of what the legislature does, some feel it's not going to be enough to curb property taxes. A proposed ballot initiative that would cap how fast assessed property values can increase has cleared an initial hurdle. This is the third time attorney Matthew Monforton has tried to qualify a similar measure to go before voters.
If we can cap valuations, we're going to be able to offer real relief to Montana homeowners, which is something that the governor's proposal simply doesn't do.
Under state law, Monforton's initiative can't begin collecting signatures until June, after the legislature will be done with its session. In Helena, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.